My name is Sakalis and I'm the executive chef for Fairmont Southampton. This is my sous chef for today, Demi, and we're gonna make something simple and healthy. It's gonna be a Greek salad. So Greek salad in Greece, it's not called Greek salad, it's called the village salad. So what we do in Greece, we take anything that we have in our garden and we mix it up with some olive oil, oregano, and some feta cheese, and some olives and capers and whatever we have. Basically, we make a nice seasonal salad. We're privileged to be living in Bermuda, and we have a lot of fresh produce. For example, now is the season for the Bermuda onions, which are amazingly sweet. We're gonna use some peppers, a little bit of arugula that we picked together with Demi from our backyard. It's growing, we don't know why, but it's growing there. We have some Bermuda beetroots, so we're gonna use this. We have some capers. We have Bermuda tomatoes, of course. We found these nasturtium flowers that we're also gonna use, and together we have some arugula flowers as well, because it's spring and everything is blossoming. We have some leftover bread that we toasted in the oven for like 5 minutes. We have feta cheese, olive oil, salt, and we have the secret ingredient, which is Greek oregano that I brought with me from Greece in my pocket when I was coming over. Very easy, super fast. So we need a mixing bowl, and we're gonna put the beetroots inside. We boil them for like maybe a couple of hours slowly with some salt, pepper, and a piece of bay leaf until they're nice and soft. We're gonna put the cucumbers inside. So we cut the cucumbers. You want a cucumber? No. So we're gonna put all the cucumbers in, and then more cucumber. Oh, take. So when we cut the peppers, cut the peppers like this in little sticks. And then what else? We said tomato. We take the eye out and we just cut them in squares like that. The onion, we're gonna cut the onion just like that. My wife loves onion, so we're gonna put a little bit of extra onion inside. So we normally in Greece we have a lot of olives, so that's something that we always have in our fridge. Here, unfortunately, today we don't have any olives, so we have some capers. And you know this brine that the capers are sitting in the jar, so you can actually use this as well. We're gonna put all the capers in. Then he wants another cucumber. We're gonna add the arugula that we found. Any kind of bread, it's fine. You can use old bread as well. Just toast it in the oven, cut it, put it in the oven, make it like little croutons. You just need to be careful with the flours, because a lot of them, they have little bags inside, so it's nice. You need to put them in water, and you need to keep them in the water for maybe 30 minutes, so whatever it's inside, it comes out, and it's safer to eat. We're gonna put a good amount of olive oil. We would like to use extra virgin olive oil. It tastes amazing, and it has a lot of aromas. A family of 3 people or 2.5 can have it. It's enough. And then the secret ingredient, the Greek oregano, we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. Just mixing everything. Stay local, stay seasonal. That's the secret. It has to be fresh, and it's nice and healthy. Easy to execute. At the very end, crumble some feta right in. What is this bowl here? We can use this bowl, and we almost finished. This is our Greek salad. Enjoy and stay safe.